Welcome to the super swanky Nolitan Hotel, located in the trendy Nolita neighbourhood in New York City. This gorgeous boutique hotel combines a hip vibe with lots of homey touches and makes this lobby area incredibly welcoming and inviting. The Nolitan Hotel even provides guests with the use of free bikes and skateboards, if that's your chosen method of transportation. The only triple share room the hotel offers is the Nolitan Suite on the top floor. It was very large for New York standards and had a lot of hip and quirky furnishings, which again made the room feel really homely. This super cool 57-room boutique hotel sits in a fabulous location, and to step out of the hotel in any direction gives you loads of dining options. Included in the room was an espresso coffee machine, a yoga mat, umbrella and bathrobes, along with all the usual minibar treats. We were incredibly lucky that from our room there was wonderful views of Midtown and the Empire State Building. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, now might be a great time to hit the like and subscribe button, as there's much more to come. See you next time.